Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am doing this rose shimmer eye look. I got really inspired by that eyeshadow palette I've been using a lot here lately, the Linda Hallberg, the 20s Golden, the Golden 20s eyeshadow palette. And the main color I used today was called Hotsy Totsy. And this is the shade right here. And that was the main goal, to play with that eyeshadow out of this palette. But yeah, if you are interested in seeing this eyeshadow tutorial, then just keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in 150. And I kind of don't really care how precise it is, but this is my normal go-to shape for eyeshadow, but of course it gets blended out and stuff, so yeah, I just kind of slap it on, make sure I got the whole area, and then I will blend it out. And today I think I'll blend it out with maybe a dry beauty sponge. But yeah, I like using this concealer for a primer. One reason, because I don't have a primer, an eyeshadow primer in my collection that I can find. Yeah, and normally I've been blending out with this little e.l.f. putty primer applicator, but I don't think I'll do that today. I'll just use a dry sponge and just tap it until it is like not creasy or not cakey looking. And one of my favorite palettes I'm going to be using today is the Linda Hallberg palette, the new Golden 20s. And the first color I'm going to be using is this shade right here, which is High Hat. And this is going to act as a transition shade. I'm going to use this brush. It's a Wet n Wild brush I've had for many years. I need to get some new makeup brushes, but I'm gonna put that on the brush, and I'm going into, I'm not being too precise, of course. I'm going into the crease, like what I want my crease to be. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm kind of going above the natural crease. And I'm going to shade all of it in, and this is going to be a great base color for the rest of the shadows. And then I'll wipe this off just to kind of blend it out a little bit, but still have a little bit of color on there. Just blend the edges just a little bit. And that would be pretty right there, just all by itself. Now I'm going in with the same palette, but I'm going in with this darker shade, which is called Bee's Knees right here. And this is going to the outer corner of the outer V. And I'm going to kind of place it just on the outer V. And then I'm going to use that color switch again, wipe it off, and with the product that's just left over, kind of buff it out a little bit and make it where it's a little bit more seamless, but you'll still have that darker edge, as you can see from here to here. It's a lot darker, so it'd be, sorry, there's like an annoying bird outside the door or outside the house. I think I want to deepen it up again using the same little method, dabbing on the outer V, and then That's what I wanted. Okay, so the star of the show is this next color, which is the Rose Shimmer color, and it is called, what is it called? Hotsy Totsy. It is this color right here. Is just a rose shimmer. It's prettier on a swatch. I don't know if you can see the swatch that good, but that was from like an hour ago when I swatched it. But yeah, I'm gonna just go in with my fingers and go apply it and see how this goes. So far, I like it. It might apply better with a wet brush than it does with finger, but it is getting the job done with just the finger, so I think I'll just keep doing this and take my time to build it up. And that is what I was wanting. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I will put what it's called on the screen because I am not going to try to butcher that. No way. But now I'm going with this Urban Decay brush that comes with the palette. I think it was Naked 3 that I got from my sister-in-law. And I'm going to get on the smaller side, this side right here, and I'm gonna put that on my brush, and I'm going to put it really close to my lash line. I'm gonna take my time re-dipping and kind of just smudging basically. You could use eyeliner, but I thought since I'm using this palette, I might as well try out this shade, the darker brown, to darken up my lash line. It's not as really dark as I was hoping it would be, but that's okay. So it'd probably be better as just an eyeshadow for like a brown little smoky look. But that's okay. Alright, I got my little Milk makeup. I don't know what it's called. Let's see if it says it. Cooling water. Whatever. I'm putting it under my eyes. And then I got my Huda Beauty water jelly out of the refrigerator. I got this out of the freezer, this out of the refrigerator. I'm going to go under my eyes and depuff those. They're not doing too bad today, but, you know, they still need a little help. That feels so good under the eyes. And now I'm going to use that Huda Beauty jelly water to prime my face. You know what? I'll just... Ooh, it's cold. Feels good. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the color 150 to actually conceal these under eyes and also these new little spots on my face. And I'm not going to blend it out right now. I need to decide what foundation I want to use today. Yeah, I think I'll use the Pixie H2O Skin Tint in the color Nude as my foundation today. And this is probably overkill, but I need to go wet my sponge real quick. Alright, now I'm going to bronze up my face using the Huda Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream in the color Fair. I'm going to use that to bronze up my face. And I guess I will yeah, you don't need to know this part. You're mostly here just for the eyeshadow look anyway. I'm going to set my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Butter Loose Powder. Right now we're going back into Bee's Knees, and I'm getting it, and I'm going to put it on the outer edge of the lower lash line. Ooh, I gotta be careful. It is kicking up pretty good. Just to put it where it's gonna be like one look. And then I'll use the other side to pick up that shade we used before. What's it called? High Hat right here. And I'll put that right below it and kind of diffuse it with that, but also go to the inner part of the eye where it's like a soft smoky look, kind of like so. Alright, now I am going to coat my lashes using the Banger Mecca Mascara. Mecca Banger Mascara. And the lashes I'm going to use today is too intense for this look. I wish I had some Ardell Wispies, but whatever. I'm using the Pro Beauty 3D False Mink lashes in what's it called? Wispies? Something. And I'm going to, the lash glue I'm using is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glass Culture. Alright, I just put one coat of that mascara, and I wanted to show you what the eye looks like before I put those big old false lashes on. I think they look really pretty, but my lashes are not doing so great, so I need some lashes. The lip liner I'm going to be using is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the color Blushing. I think this goes really good with this look. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Smashbox The Hood Witch Photo Finish Aurora Shield Primer, Water, and Clary Sage plus tea. Don't think they sell this anymore, but I'm trying to use it up so I can get it out of my makeup collection. Alright, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed me using this Linda Hallberg palette, the new Golden 20s eyeshadow palette, using the Hotsy Totsy shimmer shade that was the, you know, the star of the show. There it is. I hope you enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!